Big L, Big L, Big L, Big L. I ain't worried about it. 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 Yeah, yeah. I ain't worried about it. If you really want my nigga, then you got it. Cause I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I ain't worried about it. If you really want my nigga, then you got it. Cause I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. Yeah. Bone blaze, my nigga. I just roll and choke a whole pot of green. Know I keep a chopper, so my click just like a SWAT team. That pistol in my lap. That pistol on your bitch gap. No, I don't do Air Forces, but I'm running around with that strap. So G bitch, I run with the sick clicks. They giving them bitches that big dick. Don't bother me, nigga, be chillin' and geeking on a mission, tryna come up on the million. Can I get them money this way? Cause I'm a nigga tryna get paid. I don't wanna fuck with y'all, bruh. Don't fuck with them niggas, don't fuck with them bitches in the city tryna fuck with bone, bruh. All we got is cannon, so my partner just a minute man. I hate niggas, I guess I'm George Zimmerman. Bustin' down and twisting with that pistol off of my britches. Done racked up 650 shit, just run and getting it. Caught back on the tool I'm toting, though. Flexed out, nigga knows I'm Pinocchio. Choking got me floating, steady sipping on that potion, no. I ain't worried about it. If you really want my nigga, then I got it. Cause I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I ain't worried about it. If you really want my nigga, then you got it. Cause I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I ain't worried about it. If you really want my nigga, then you got it. Cause I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body. I'm riding and getting it with that pistol on my body, yeah.
Ride around my nigga, buys a bone and we getting it. Pistol on safe and it's locked. One dog in the fence on the block. This cold world we living in, but I thank the Lord for all the things he did. I ain't running them with these chicks, tryna get at the hood of my bitch. Fuck these hang niggas, they net. And the rest of that host that ain't by net. Roll up blunts to help me rest and ease my mind from all this stress. I watched my dad chop up that white, so everything was so alright. Started banging on the block and Marvin hard through rough at nights. Ain't run by shit but eating cake and make sure grandma made okay. Keep my little bro lead so safe and keep these snakes up out my way. Walking hard through rainy day, praying to God for brighter day. Lost my grandma at a young age, wishing that I can change my way. Get that 4-5 in my lap, woman nigga RickyBoneBlaze, keep it knock out back. Make sure all my niggas straight and keep them straps up on their waist. Hold the hood on every day and get it paper by the way. If a nigga try to drop you, get back up and fly away.